In this tutorial video, you're gonna learn how to make some cosmetic changes of your website front end using the CSS code changes. Hey guys, welcome to ecomhardy.com. This is Hardik Patel, and this is the part 9 of tutorial videos I'm making how to create an e-commerce website using Shopify. So let's get started. Here I am on the Shopify admin panel. Simply, if you have to go to online store here, and you can also view the online store just by clicking that. Now, if you go to online store and themes, select the active theme and click customize. So here you're gonna make few changes in CSS. To know the code, I have already created the page on my ecomhardy website. So simply go to ecomhardy.com, and here on the search bar, just type in CSS Shopify or something like CSS itself is okay. And you will find the result something like useful CSS snippets for Shopify users. So click on that, and here you will find available CSS. I have already added the CSS codes. So you can find out here. By the time you are watching this video, you might find a few more codes have been added. So right now there are only 2 blocks, but there would be more blocks be added in the future. By somehow, if you don't find any CSS code which you want to go with, feel free to comment me in comment box below, and I will like to check and provide that code if I could. So let's get started now. If I go to the front end of the website, I want to make few changes in the website, like the title, font size of the title, the price. I made all these changes, but without these changes, the Shopify website looks a bit odd. So you can go with those changes. Let me click on that. And initially, like Shopify provide this title fonts very big and not in bold. Also, Shopify provide this H2 tags very big and not in good size manner. And pricing also, it's not correctly showing. So you can find out all these things and how to fix it in this tutorial video. Now, if I go to the back end of my website, and if I go to customize here, you see if I click on this particular block, right hand side panel, if I scroll down here, there would be an option called custom CSS. Simply open that option. And if you want to make any changes here, you can always go to my website. Like here, there is H1, there is price, item, sell, CSS, there is a batch CSS. So what I do is I copy this code, H1. This is the product page title code, but don't worry, it will work here as well. So if I paste it here, now there is no H1 title is used in this particular block. So you can always check with H2 and H3 title. And you see this title is in H2. So when you make any changes here, it affects there. If I make the font size very big, and see now the font size is bigger. So that's how you can change the font size from here. By far, I'm happy with the given font size, so I will keep it as it is for now. You can also make some minor changes from here. If you go and select here, content alignment, also here, like those sort of things. But the font size changes are not provided in specific manner on these right hand side settings. So that's how you can do. For the price on the home page, you see the price in blue color, which is my choice of color for now for this particular website. And also the font size is bigger. If I scroll down, the CSS I have added is this one. You can always copy, or you will go here and you will find out that CSS code here. I'm going to add that code soon. So you will find that code here as well. So you can easily copy like that, okay, and then paste it into your CSS page or column. Now, if I go to the options and select the product and default products, the product I can also change is from here, the preview of the product. If I want to change it to, right now it's a sold out product, I want to pick the product which is in stock. So maybe this one would be in stock and which is okay. Maybe I can change it to some other products as well, like maybe 12,001. See, so you can easily change the products. Let me find out the one. Let's go with this product. Now, I want to make some changes in the title fonts, in the price fonts, in the price fonts colors, and also the description and also the title of the description. So let's make some changes. Now simply click here and scroll down here, and right hand side you will see this custom CSS panel will be open, or you can expand it like this if it's closed, and go to ecomhardy.com product page title. So simply copy this code and paste it here. Let me show you without this code how Shopify gives you the font size. So this is the weird font size Shopify gives you, very big, right? And it's in bold, very big, doesn't look good, and it covers most of the areas if you have a lot of characters or words. So simply by pasting this code, it will change the font size. Also, if I go here, product price font, simply I copy this code and paste it here. You see here, the product price font is different now. You can make it bold as well. If you want to find out the CSS code for this one, simply you go to the front end of the website, open any product. Maybe I want to open the product which has the sale value, something like this one. The font size is very big and it doesn't look good by default what Shopify provides. It also doesn't affect here the price and all. So what you have to do is simply right click and inspect elements and arrow and select here. So you find here this is the H1 tag. So it is simple. Simply go to my website and this is the H1 tag code. And now if you want to make some changes into the price, what you have to do is select the price, sale price, and here you have to find out the class. You can also go right hand side here and scroll down and check. So if I go at the top here, is font size. Maybe I can change it to 50 pixel here. Somehow it's not making changes. So I need to find out the right code, right class. So price item, font size, PPX, and yeah, voila. So this is the code for the sale price. So dot price space dot price dash item, and then this is the code you have to add. So add maybe 30 and maybe font weight to maybe bold, and maybe font color, or if there is no code appears, that means simply add color, enter, and maybe color you can choose any color you want. You can put in a code like F4A51C, just imagine. So this is the code I know. Or if you want to go with the simple color code like blue or something, you can type in that as well. Now, once you made those changes, simply copy this code and come back to your website backend, customize panel, select the panel or select the block, and then scroll down, go to custom CSS. It might be closed here. Simply open it, scroll down, and paste this code there. Now you see the code has been added. It is making changes there. Now, one thing I noted here is it is also changing the regular price, which you might not want. So you need to make some changes in this code as well, or you have to find out the exact class of this sale price. So if you're okay with that, you can continue like that, or you can find out the exact sale price subclass or class. This might be the one. So let me try that one. This code, if you remove it, it will make changes to only the exact price item, the color and the font size. The regular price, it will remain the same and in small fonts. You want that? You can remove the unnecessary codes as well, like margin, I don't want that, and display inline block, it is already there, so I just don't want to make any changes to that, and I will leave it as it is for now. Now you can see here the batch. After making these changes, the batch went up a little bit. So what you have to do is you come back to ecomhardy.com and you see here the code dot batch. You can find out this code and simply come down here and enter, paste it here, and you see the batch is coming down. Maybe 5 pixel is not enough, so I'll go with 10 pixel. And now it's matching to that. Maybe 15 pixel, it's going too much down. So 10 pixel would be the good set point, and I will keep it as it is. Now, second thing you want to add is the title. You want to make changes of the product title. Go to ecomhardy.com, product page title, simply copy this code and enter, paste it here. You see here the product page title is smaller now. If you think like it's too small, you can always make changes here, like 25 pixels, and make it slightly bigger. Same way, if you want to make changes to the description title, simply go to ecomhardy.com and copy the same thing. Come back here, enter, paste it here. Now, because you duplicated the thing, it is changing here. Don't worry. This is the H2 title. So what I do is simply I just change it to H2, and now it is changing there. So that's the changes you wanted to make. Everything looks good except this one. You want to make changes here as well. What you have to do is go back to your product page, front end, and scroll down until you find this particular thing. Now what you have to do is simply inspect elements, and you have to inspect this. You have to hover over to the block which make changes here. So simply this one, maybe class information, or sorry, card information and card. So this is the right one. Now what you have to do is on the right hand side, I will go and make some changes. Once you start searching properly, you may find it easily. And once you go through it, you will understand the CSS, how it works and all, and you will learn. This is how you can make some cosmetic changes to your website front end using the back end customization with CSS Code. In the next tutorial video, part 10, I'm going to show you how to link your domain to your Shopify. This is the exciting thing because now you are making your website live. So do not miss this video. Hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. Thumbs up to this video if you are here for the first time. Subscribe to this channel and feel free to check out my other videos as well. And comment me in comment box below if you have any questions or suggestions. I'll love to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Take care. See you next time. Bye-bye.